So here we have someone with long ginger colored hair. And bam, beautiful blunt bob makeover. I love the way that this looks with her hair color. So pretty. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some hair transformations. Loving this bob makeover once again. And then we see someone with long mid-back length hair who also decides to switch things up with a bob. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see once again somebody with mid-back length hair. Oh, wow, beautiful angled bob makeover. I love how this frames her face, really making her cheekbones pop. She looks absolutely stunning. Very nice. Next up, we have someone getting a makeover who has alopecia. A little bit of a hair color change here. This is such a cute mini bob style. Oh, I am in love. I love the dimension with the color. So pretty. Then we see a bit of a pixie bob hair change for the next one. So cute and chic and right on trend with all of the styles that we are seeing this fall. Very pretty. Another gorgeous bob makeover with a color change. Beautiful face framing highlights. Very nice. Then we have another stunning bob with this chocolate hair color. So pretty. Lots of volume and movement with this one. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these long to bob haircut ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.